What's up, man? It's your boy Serious Business. We're out here again. Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. But man, always bite off a lot more than you can chew, man. Yeah, I told myself, oh, it's gonna be quick, you know, boom, boom, boom. It's just this and that, but it's always a bunch of things you need to disconnect when you getting the whole engine out, man. Power steering, I forgot about that. My damn temperature sensor, forgot about that. Starter wire, forgot about that. I'm gonna see if I can get away with just leaving the distributor in. If I break it, I break it. Fuck it. I might remove that damn crane pulley. It always gets in the way. What else? Always a bunch of things, man. I'm waiting for this damn oil to drain out this damn power steering. But it's ready. You know, you see what it is. It's that stick shift life, man. You know how it is. Starting to miss my 4L60, man. Never gave me any trouble. But anyway, that's the stick shift life, man. You guys let me know how often you gotta pull your transmission for a clutch job or whatever kind of job. Let me know in the comments, man. Over here, everything disconnected. I'm missing one ground right here in the back. I got my these two. I got them. In my crate. These two came with the engine. I guess they use these in the assembly line. Lift the engine up. So I always kept these for every time I'm gonna pull the engine. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if you can say, man. It smell a little bit like gas. You know, gas eats away at everything. But I always cooled it with these. See how it does, man. Come back at you part 5.